Hello guys, this will be another Rover video. It's a maintenance video. I'm going to do the transfer box. Stay tuned for that. I'm going to do the transfer box with special transfer box oil from Rangerover, and the OEM number is IYK 5010, as you can see. And it needs 1.5 liter approximately. So I already loosened the fill plug, and that goes with an 8mm hex. That went very smooth, and now I'm going to drain it, and let's see the quality of the oil that will come out of there. Stay tuned. Color is not too bad. There's no water in it. Just a little bit dark, but I guess that's normal. Nothing on the plug if it is magnetic. So we'll let it drain for a while, and then we can fill it again. So with a new copper washer, copper O-ring on both plugs, we can begin to fill it, and we are going to do that with this syringe here that we also used for the for the transfer case, but now it is for the transfer box. I mean, we used it for the transmission. You can see that in an earlier video, but now we are going to do the transfer box.
We were trying to get a good camera position, but it went totally wrong without me noticing, so a lot of footage went lost. Sorry for that.
weet je. So that went fairly easy. I have half a liter over here, so there went 1.5 liter in very smoothly. It was an easy job for once. So I screwed the plugs back on, and it is done. So the next video on the Range Rover will be about changing the diesel filter and the air filter. So stay tuned for those, and please, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, because the channel needs it to get monetized. I just can't get monetized, so please guys, help me with that. So most of all, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
After testing, the gears react much quicker when putting the car in gear from park. That went very slow before, so that's a win for sure.